So today I'm going to talk about what every car needs. Not lifted truck, not sports car. Every car needs one of these things, and I'm going to show y'all what it is once we get inside, man. So let's go.
Rebel on your own on a bedroom trip.
Oh man. So what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. Welcome back to my channel, man. Y'all know who it is. I'm glad y'all here today. So as you can see, man, this weather does not make good vlogging weather for being outside. So good thing what we need to do today will be inside. So let's go ahead and head inside, and I'll show y'all what we talk about when we get in. All right, so what's up, guys? We're in the house, and as you can see, what we're going to talk about today is I have the Akaso Dashcam V1. So yes, this is what I was referring to when I said every car vehicle needs one of these. You need a dash cam in your vehicle. The reason being, for one, I mean, it's just an insurance policy. When you're out driving around, you get into an accident, something happens when your car is parked, someone bumps into it, you know, that you catch these things, you know, so when you have to go through insurance and claims like that, you have video footage of everything that's going on. I actually had an incident where my previous car was parked at the mall and someone bumped into me, hit and run basically, dented the whole front end of my car, so I had to go through insurance and, you know, deductible and all that stuff. So if I would have had one of these, I probably would have caught the person who did it and probably could have pursued it. With the Akaso dash cam, there's a few reasons why I went with this. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what comes in the box once you get it. So you have a, if you wanted to hardwire it basically to like your fuse box, they give you the supplies to do that. You have a car plug-in cable here that they provide you as well, and they give you a USB option as well. So if you're using your carport to charge something else, you can use your USB port. So they give you three options to hardwire this thing, which is pretty cool. Also, they give you a micro USB card. Now, don't look at the 32 gig one. That's the one I ordered on my own, but they do give you a 16 gig, which is pretty cool. But I went ahead and ordered the 32 just to hold more space. And even when you get your micro SD card, it comes with a little device as well that you needed, the adapter. So it was cool. They basically gave you everything you need to make sure you get this thing set up. As far as the install, they give you these two plastic clips here. They're basically identical, so you have an extra set. They give you a tool to help you run your wire, and they also give you this plastic here. So actually this sticks to the windshield, and then this device here sticks to that, which makes it very, very easy to remove. It has a tab there. I'm not sure how it's going to look applied, but we'll see. Also, they give you some more stuff here, some more little adhesives to stick, and you also get the reference guide, and last but not least, you get your camera. And now you can see this thing is very, very small, which is one of the main reasons I liked it. I actually got this on sale. It was like 80 bucks. And guys, I'm gonna give y'all a Q-tip. Here's your Q-tip right here. What I do on eBay, I put stuff in my cart and I leave it there. And the reason being, when price or anything changes on a product in your cart, and you may know this, Amazon, will notify you that, hey, there's a price change on a device or something in your cart. And that's exactly what happened with this. This was originally 80. I believe it was like tax-free weekend or something. And Amazon notified me there's a price drop on this. And I got this thing for $49. So almost 50% off the price it was originally going for. So Q-tip, put stuff in your Amazon cart, even if you don't plan on buying it away, and they will notify you when the price goes up or down on these items.
And that was your Q-tip of the day.
So with this device, like I said, it's very small. It can fit in my palm of my hand, so it'll be very discreet. But the lens is 175-degree wide angle is what you get. It records in HD, which is 1728 by 1296 HD recording capabilities. It also has GPS chip tracking, so you can track where you are and the speed you're going, which is very cool. And also it comes with smartphone management. So you see here, there's a Wi-Fi sign. So you basically control everything from your phone. No computer system needed at all, which makes it very easy. It has a 1.5-inch LCD screen here. And also it comes with night vision. So at nighttime, you have very clear video footage. Another thing about this, which most dash cam have, it has loop recording, which basically means it just keeps recording overall footage. There's nothing happen. It just overwrites old footage if nothing there. And basically you don't never have to worry about it not recording. But it also comes with a feature, if let's say if it does feel an impact, it will lock and save that file so it won't get deleted while it's being looped, which is very cool. And I believe there's also a lock button on here, or you probably can do it from your phone. that you can actually manually lock a file if you want to. I believe it also can stand up the heat to like 150 degrees Fahrenheit or something like that. So in the summertime, it's hot, won't have any issues. And also, I believe they said it's come with capacities and not battery, which is don't have to worry about overheating. And also, the thing I love about it most, it has G sensor. So basically, if the vehicle is parked and nothing is happening, it will cut off. However, if it feels that there's a bump or motion to the vehicle, it comes on and starts recording. So that's very good. That's very nice safety feature to have, to know that your vehicle is kind of always being watched, that something's always being watched. One first thing you do need to perform is you have to format your USB cards before you use the device. And they give you steps to do that as well, which is what the little micro USB adapter was for. So make sure you format it first. And all this I'm telling you is in the instructions. What I recommend doing, I'm gonna go ahead and set mine up now. And what I mean, I'm gonna go ahead, I already formatted my SD cards. I'm gonna go ahead and put it into the actual dash cam, and you have to format it there as well. But also, it takes 2 hours to charge fully. So with that USB cable, I'm just gonna go ahead and plug in the adapter, put it on, put my SD card in, get it all set up, and it gives you all those steps in the manual. So I'm gonna go ahead and basically go through those steps, set mine up. So when I go to install it to the vehicle itself, I basically just have to run my wire, and I will show y'all doing that. Basically just go. Really quick, guys, I want to talk about something that wasn't really clear in the instructions, and that is the Wi-Fi option here. So you can go ahead and turn this on for you. So as you can see here, it does come with Wi-Fi, which you're going to use to link to your phone. The little button right here, you just press it, and what you have to do is going to give you a code and a password right there. So that SSID, you actually have to go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to that SSID network, and that's the password as well. And you have to download an app, and the app is called Akaso Card. And you download the app, and once you download the app, connect to this network here, the SSID network, into the password, and that's how you're going to be able to connect the camera to the phone, which I can't show you because I'm holding right. I'm going to go ahead and do the install now, take it out to my truck, and just show y'all how I'm gonna run my cord, and yeah, we'll give it a test drive and see what the thing looks like. All right, so what's up, guys? I'm downstairs. I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna get my keys in my hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and start and show y'all how I'm gonna wire this thing and what I'm gonna run it to. Going good so far. Okay guys, kind of finally got everything up and running. As you can see, still not the cleanest look, so it's back there hidden pretty well. And from the outside, you want to see what it looks like. I mean, you can't even really see it unless I really zoom in. Yep, that's it right there. It's very, very small. I mean, you can't even see it up there. I did kind of finally get the wiring done how I want to. As you can see, I basically just moved it over a little bit, and it kind of self-fixed itself with the wiring being hidden. Came my way down there on the side. I don't like what that looks. That looks kind of ugly. Comes out here, comes out here. I had trouble. I didn't have anywhere to mount it underneath here, so I just kind of stuck it behind my rug, which I don't like. I'm gonna have to be careful that whoever's here on the passenger side doesn't kick it, and then it runs up here and goes into the tray there. Now you can wire it, hardwire it here through your fuse box. I don't have the part needed, which would be much cleaner look if you can just stop it right there rather than running all the way here. But for now, that'll work. It looks like from my perspective. So there it is. You can see there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It was a quick and, I ain't gonna say quick and easy, just trying to get the wires to run. It still looks a little ugly to me, but it'll do for right now. So I'm gonna take a trip and see what the footage look like, and took some in the video. Y'all let me know what y'all think, and yeah, y'all have a blessed day. Peace.
Me at Walgreens, smuggling narcotics was my calling. Hey, foes on the Mercedes, that's major.